Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another freaking banger, guys. Somnia. It's been a while since the last videos about Somnia, because as some of you might know, I did make some of the videos about them, or actually few videos about them, I should say. But today we have something special. We'll talk about their playground, fellas. So it sounds good, I guess. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So they have a whole blog that explains what playground actually is, guys, and if you want to learn more about this, I will plug the link to this blog down below in the description of this video. But actually, let's have a quick little look at this. So as you can see, this is the blog page right there, how to build your own world with Somnia Playground, and you have a whole explanation how to do it. Well, long story short, you have to connect your wallet and you can get started literally just like that. You can navigate different worlds. As you can see, you can interact with your avatar in these worlds. You can run, walk, you know, play with your friends. You can customize your avatar. And regarding customizing your own avatars, etc., we actually did touch on this in my last video. So if you haven't watched this last video, then you can definitely go ahead and check it out. I also had the first video, which was directly towards what Somnia is, okay, what they are, but I'm aware that some of you might not have watched it, so obviously, guys, I'm sending you to this video as well, because that's how you can learn some more info about Somnia. But well, let me give you like a brief introduction at least. So Somnia, guys, is a dream computer. Somnia is a 300k plus TPS EVM layer 1 with interoperability protocols to unify metaverses, gaming, NFTs and social platforms, creating a seamless, fully on-chain virtual society. And guys, Somnia is developed by Virtual Society Foundation, which is an independent organization initiated by Improbable, which is a British startup that has been the forefront of building virtual worlds for over a decade. VSF received initial funding from M Squared, who raised $150 million in funding from A16Z Crypto, SoftBank, Mirana Ventures, CMT Digital, and SIG or SIG. We did talk about this also in the Somnia introduction video. But basically, guys, I wanted to sort of show you this playground, how it looks like. There is also a competition here. They have a Galaxy campaign, which I'll show you right now. And it is called Somnia Points Dream Hunt. The playground, 10,000 USDT plus 850 points to be won. And as you guys can see, you can check out how to get entries and how to get started with that. Basically, it's super easy and simple, guys. You have some nice little easy steps. They also have referral links, so you can invite your friends with your referral code, which also could be very beneficial for you. You can launch your own metaverse with one click, guys. These are the features available at the launch, right? So yeah, you can launch your own metaverse with one click. You can invite your friends with referral code. You can have live chat capabilities. You can complete different quests and display Somnia enabled NFTs. So yes, this is also the Galaxy campaign, the Galaxy giveaway or competition, more I should say. And obviously it will be linked down below in the description, guys. So finally, let's get into the playground. Let's kind of talk about what it actually is. So guys, the beta version of Somnia's playground allows creators to build metaverse worlds and experiences. You can invite friends and show off their NFTs. Soon, the playground will make developing and publishing metaversal content easier, allowing creators to focus on bringing their unique visions to life. And Somnia Playground will provide content creators with a sandbox environment, allowing them to test their ideas and creations without the need to deploy them onto server infrastructure. And this rapid iteration process saves valuable time and resources, allowing creators to experiment, refine, and perfect their metaverse experiences before launching them on Somnia, guys. So really cool perspective that we can see here, and I really love the idea. And also, you know, it is kind of functionable right now, and you can sort of test it and see how it works. So you have your different worlds. In my case, I have this Somnia Village here, but you can also have Somnia City, as you can see, desert, forest, snow, dream gallery, and so on. They also have this cool game which is called Somnia Crazy Run, which I'll show you. But basically what you have here is your avatars. So currently I just have this guy here, but obviously you can mint your own avatar. I did show you how to do it in my previous videos. So if you want to see, then you can go ahead and do so. It is fully customizable, so that's pretty cool. You can also set your avatar's name. In my case it can be Alex, so yeah, that's Alex. Nice to meet him, I guess. Then you have your different words. So yeah, as I said, this is the Somnia village here. You can also share your link, you can invite your friends obviously, and have fun all together, which is very nice. Then you also have different items, guys. As you can see, you have like matching games, Somnia race, Bitcoin boxes, like different items. As you can see, coins, keys, and so on, and you obviously will be able to utilize all of those. We have a freaking sports car right here, looks kind of cool, not even gonna lie. Damn, you have a campfire here. So yeah, as you can see, you have different items that you will be also able to utilize them in many different ways, obviously. But getting back into our Somnia playground, obviously I showed you the words and all of that, so you can jump into your own world. As you can see, generating your dream, it is. And then, guys, you will be able to interact with it, to walk, jump, you know, basically to kind of play around, you know what I'm saying? So you use your WSID just like in any other games. You can move your camera, you can jump. As you can see, you can double jump even. That's a cool feature. So yeah, you'll be able to do many different things. And what I really like about this, guys, obviously you can hear my keyboard, I'm sorry, it's kind of loud, but what I really like about this is that for content creators it can be a really nice gate of opportunity to organize events with viewers, for example. So obviously this has, guys, a lot of potential when it comes to utilizing it in many different ways. But as I'm saying, for example, you can host events for your viewers, for your subscribers here, you know, giveaways, all of that, kind of interact with your community, because as I said, you'll be able to invite, you have your live chat here, you can type your messages, as you can see, and do all of that kind of stuff, which is pretty cool. So that's how it looks like from this side. What I also want to show you guys is their how was it called? Crazy Run, because that's a cool game mode, I guess we could say, in which you can kind of test your skills playing Somnia Playground, if I can call it like that. So yeah, we'll walk this through and we'll be wrapping up the video around here, guys. But basically what I wanted to show you is you know, that this has a lot of potential. Well, I'm saying this yet again, which I know I'm repeating myself, but basically, guys, it really does, and you really can utilize it to many different cool ways, you know, to play with your friends, to interact with your communities, to interact with your idols. For example, if you have some, you know, cool content creators that you like, for example me, obviously, just kidding, but you know, guys, well, maybe your favorite creator will be hosting an event in Somnia. You don't know it. I mean, there is a potential because they are getting the exposure, and me myself, I really like the approach, I really like the concept, which you were also able to hear in my previous videos. So yeah, we might see a lot of content creators hosting their events here. So yeah, getting back to the game, this is the Crazy Run. So obviously, as you can see, it's kind of like a wipeout, or well, you have like different levels of it, and you have to walk through it to win. You have the leaderboard, you can click to view the full leaderboard as well, but yeah, not gonna do it right now, but you can see what kind of times people were able to achieve. So obviously we will try to win this, but it might not be so easy as it looks like, because it is kind of difficult. As you can see, I already fell down. So yeah, this platform obviously takes you back to the start, and you can get started again. Using left shift, you can... Damn, that's hard. This is hard, fellas. Using left shift, you can run with your character, with your avatar, and then using the spacebar, you can jump or double jump. Need to get into this platform. No way. Actually, before recording, I was able to go a little bit further than that. Not even gonna lie to you guys. So let's see if by just holding W like a monkey, I can maybe do it. It definitely works out better. Oh, okay, that was close. Here I just gotta run, I believe. Yeah, it works the best. Now we have those moving platforms, which are quite tricky, to be totally honest with you, and I already see the next trap right here. It looks kind of scary to me, but we'll see whether I can deal with those platforms first. They don't look so difficult, but you need to approach them well enough. So yeah, you have a little gaming session here with your boy Alexandrus, with your fellow crypto gamer, you know what I'm saying. I'm not that bad, actually. Okay, so we have some kind of hammers here with the holes in the freaking ground. So what I think is the best idea here is to actually go down this slope. No, okay, we can't do it this way. What we can do here? Let's see how we can approach this. So we can now go, okay, like this. Damn, I'm just gonna hold W like a monkey again. And I made it, I think, right? Did I? So now we can click on the crown. And yeah, I can enter my wallet address, so it will be displayed here in the leaderboard. So your boy has made it, and we can make a little competition actually, guys, if you want. You can try to complete this crazy run here. And you can let me know in the comment section what was your time, or you can simply just input it here with your wallet address and kind of flex on me that you are better than me, because probably you will be better than me. Now we can go back with this nice little rainbow highway. So yeah, back to the start we go. Yeah, this is Somnia, guys. This is Somnia's playground. If you want to see more videos about Somnia, because there is actually a lot of things happening within this metaverse and within this whole project, then you can let me know in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to provide you with more updates down the road, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.